Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and you're watching SHREK Tech. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it right now, hit the red button right now, and hit the bell notification. You can get the latest notification of my videos. So guys, back with the review right now. We have bought a new MI BAND HRX edition with the old one, so we gotta compare it. What is the difference between the new and the old? So guys, the basic difference is the box, which is this old one and this new one. This looks old and rubbish, and this looks new. The designs are the same, but the difference is just the basic difference in the starting. So the second difference is, guys, the bands. The band really got thicker right now. This is really thin. It's really flexible, really thin, but this one is flexible but strong enough. So that's the second difference. And the third one, guys, the display. So right now I'm going to show you the difference between the display. So I'm going to pop this one up. This is very low in brightness, right? Check this out. This is high on brightness. So that's the third difference. And the fourth difference, guys, the band have a unique number on it. Just a sec. Okay, so I guess you guys can see it. Just focus. Okay, you can see some serial numbers on it that states that whether you have bought a new band strap or not, and which doesn't contain in this old band. And the third one, guys, they have improved the color of this one, the HRX, which was actually black in color, which people couldn't see it properly, but now they have just painted it to white. So that's another property of it. And the thing is, the performance has been increased in the old versus the new bands. So that's another one. And the thing is, the screen doesn't get scratched up very fast. As per the old band, it really gets faster scratches, and it doesn't have the dustproof technology in the band. It just gets thick. This has really very soft. And upon my experience, guys, I've been using this band for around 5 months. Not the new one, but the old one. It gives 31 days of battery. That's almost 1 month. That's equal to 1 month. And upon the charge of 100%. So I don't connect to my phone 24 hours with Bluetooth along with the band. So that gives 1 month equally. And if you connect with the band for 24 hours, then obviously it's gonna reach to 15 days. So the battery capacity of these two bands are 75 mAh, and along with the thing is, it gives the performance. The performance is really great. It doesn't have the heart rate sensors, and along with the, if you really want to recognize whether this band is from the official company MI, then just peek back. You can see the MI logo flashing. It's very glossy. That's good. So both the new and old, the logo and the designs are the same thing in both the new and old. The performance have increased, the brightness have been increased, the band quality has been improved. So guys, you have seen the review of HRX edition band from MI company or Mi company. That's Xiaomi. So the price is about 1,300 rupees, but the real price is 1,800, which is already been printed on the back side of the box, as you can see right here. That's in Indian rupees, INR. So if you guys convert it into USD, that's US dollars, that's gonna be like $20 something, 1,300, almost equivalent. So here's the thing, guys, we have done the review of the old and new MI BAND HRX edition. Soon I'm gonna review band 2, band 3, and yes, of course I'm gonna unbox the fresh looking new fast track reflex with fast track reflex wave, which has gestures on it. So that's really crazy kind of band. So I just suggest you buying this thing. It's, you know, money is affordable, it's cheap and best, performance is great, gives you about 1 month to, you know, use it. So guys, here's the thing, we have reviewed this thing, so my videos might be delayed due to the exams, which everybody fears of, but I hope the best. But yeah, yes guys, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to get more tech unbox reviews and lot more. And soon I'm gonna give away my action camera, which is really not nice, but yes, for you guys I'm doing anything. So see you guys later. Please subscribe to my channel, and you're watching SHREK Tech. See you guys.